Hi, on June 1st, we'll be covering the topic of Earth. Earth relates to late summer, the harvest, and the mature, ripened fruit. In this workshop, we will study through meditation and experiential exercises the embodied quality of Earth. We'll study Earth as it relates to a stage in any dynamic process, and then we'll bring it home to the human development and the stage in a human life cycle. And for this human life cycle, we'll study from a Western psychology point of view the quality of consciousness that's associated with it. We'll be studying the yin and yang aspects of Earth. We'll be studying psychospiritual issues associated with Earth, like the act of being grounded, being able to distinguish what's nourishing and what's toxic, as well as issues of nourishment themselves. In Earth, we will study the emotions of worry and empathy, and we'll study how, with mindfulness and a few reflective questions, as well as an embodiment, how worry, pensiveness, overthinking, and empathy becomes its virtue, which is grounded deliberation and compassion. I hope you'll join us on June 1st for the Earth Workshop.